Hey, do you have any angst? Are you feeling a little anxious? Do you suffer from anxiety? What? Maybe you have these feelings towards English. Don't, okay? English can be fun. And we're going to have fun with these three words. You heard them. Now let's pronounce them. The first word is A-N-G-S-T. It's pronounced angst. You got to feel that right there. Angst. Watch the mouth. Angst. Angst. What's angst? Angst is a feeling of worry. I hope you don't have any angst. Got it. Then A-N-X-I-O-U-S. What? Anxious. Anxious. That means you're experiencing worry or dread. But anxious can also be anticipation. Like, I'm so anxious for Christmas to come. Anxious. Anxious. It's an adjective. Are you anxious? I hope not. Don't be anxious with English. Just let it flow. Relax and enjoy it. Don't be anxious. Anxious. Don't be full of angst. Okay? Because if you are full of angst and you are anxious, then you are suffering from A-N-X-I-E-T-Y. That one looks tricky. It's pronounced anxiety. 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 Say it with me. Anxiety. Emphasis on the second syllable. Anxiety. What's anxiety? It's a noun, and it's a feeling of doom or dread or worry. Anxiety. Many people suffer from anxiety. I hope you are not one of them. Let's review. Angst. A noun, a feeling of worry or dread. Angst. A-N-X-I-O-U-S. Anxious. Anxious. It's an adjective. It's experiencing worry or dread or anticipation. Then we also have A-N-X-I-E-T-Y. It's a noun. What does it mean? It's a feeling of worry or dread. And how do we pronounce it again? Anxiety. Anxiety. Angst. Anxious. Anxiety. Why does English have these three words that are so tricky to pronounce and can cause exactly what they mean? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce the sentence, I hope, and understand it. Bill often feels angst, making him anxious and full of anxiety. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with one of these words? You can. Leave it in the comments. I'm anxious to read them. Peace, friends.